Hey Peter, this is Brandon. We're having trouble with the 632.
Okay, what's going on with the machine?
I think we're having trouble with the give. I think it may be a little bit too tight.
Okay, which slide it is? Can you point me in a direction? I can show you what to do.
Position 5. So you want to take a look inside of the machine here.
By using the ZAR system, we're able to answer the phone to you, and within an hour we could probably be set up and ready to go, looking through your eyes, seeing your problems.
Okay, let me grab a wrench.
There's not the big long machine downtime waiting for an engineer to be available, waiting for us to book airline tickets, hotels, all the expenses that come with a technician coming across America to visit you. There's all of that time consumed and all of that money saving that we're giving you with the ZAR system. The added benefit is, by having your machine fixed, ultimately by proxy we're training your maintenance people.
Who's this screw in the front?
Right here?
Yes.
So when these problems reoccur again, there is no need for the ZARs, because you've already had the lesson, you've had the maintenance training with the backup from Peter and the team here. I just think it's a fantastic way to get your machines up and running quicker and answer the questions of everybody in the business as to why that machine is down, and we can bring the machine back up the same day it went down.
Yeah, the slide should be free now.
Try to move it. It's moving pretty good.
It's moving, but it seems like it's a little tight.
So multi-spindle automatic lathes, they are producing a whole volume parts with a quick cycle time. So if the machine goes down, you can imagine how many parts we make per hour, so impact on the production is very big, very huge. Back in the days, we get phone calls or the email. You can imagine phone calls. If I'm not available right away to take a phone calls or answer email right away, it will take a couple hours. It could be up to days. That was the old school process. So this idea has become when COVID hit pretty hard, and most of the people, they don't allow the service personnel going in the shop. So even if we were open, most of the customers were scared to get the contractor in. So that was the time when we developed this solution for the customer. So remote diagnosis process, if we set up for the customer these glasses, only things what they need to connect this to Wi-Fi. We already pre-installed the software in the glasses, which I'm using in a computer, which I can do collaboration, I can send a drawing to your device, and I can see everything in a real time, and I can talk to you in a real time. Most of the customers are a little scared to set them up, but everything it's going through the QR code, so you just activate the scanner. And if you want to connect the Wi-Fi, you generate the code and you connect the glasses using the scanner. So everything is very user-friendly. If it's a small issue, we can help customer right away.